Are we recording? I think we are. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you don't have the 0.5 lens on your iPhone. I don't have it because my phone is ancient, as they said. Well, it's kind of already broken, but I just don't have the time or the budget to replace it anyways. So this is how you can basically use this feature instead if you don't have the 0.5 lens. It's not going to be the same. It's just going to kind of mimic it. So you're going to go to your camera and select the panoramic, is that how you say it? Camera. And instead of going from left to right, you're going to move it from down to up. So you're going to place your camera like this, and you're going to go up and take a picture of it. Sorry, my PC is dirty, but you're gonna get something like this. And again, it's not going to be perfect, but it's good enough for me. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I can't take a picture because I know that the screen recording will be off. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.